We prepared the Proteograph assay materials, and we are ready to set up the method.
On the ICS main menu, select Proteograph Assay and follow the prompts. At Assay Kit selection, select the number of samples corresponding to your Proteograph XT assay kit. At Sign In, enter your username. Select Continue. At Registration, in the Project Name field, enter a name for your experiment. In the Plate Name field, enter a unique name for the run. Select Continue. At Waste Check, inspect the liquid waste container to determine how full it is. If the liquid level is at or above the indicated fill level, dispose of waste according to your institutional guidelines. Select the Completed Waste Check checkbox and select Continue. At Device Initialization, verify that the SP100, the MPE power unit, and the chiller power unit are turned on. If necessary, empty the tip and MPE waste. Open the front protective cover. Pull all carriers out onto the auto-load tray and ensure that the work deck is clear of any labware or spills. Push the carriers to the stop hooks at the back of the auto-load tray. Close the front protective cover. Confirm that the MPE regulator is set between 105 and 110 psi. Select Continue. At MPE initialization, verify there is no plate in the MPE module's filter plate adapter. Select Initialize.
The method has been set up, and we are ready to load the work deck.